guys, my name is Natalie, aka SM.GLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, then welcome back. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I redecorated my room. If you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. Alright, so if you know me, then you know that every once in a while I like to switch up my room and stuff like that. I don't know why, I just feel like every time I switch my room up, it gives me a different energy. Like, I don't know, I'm just so weird. I was so weird, but I decided to change up my room. I wanted a different filming setup. I wanted like different vibes. So the kind of vibe that I was trying to go for was more airy, more earthy, greens, white, gold, black, gray kind of feel, kind of, you know, vibe. So if you guys are interested on certain things that I bought, I actually have a haul video that I posted. I'm probably gonna post it before this, so you guys can check that out. I'll also leave it up in the cards. So before anything, first things first, I had to get a new vanity. My vanity was a little too small for the amount of makeup I had. I had makeup everywhere, and for me it was just annoying to have to like look for certain things. I wanted my makeup all in one space, so I actually went to IKEA and I bought the Alex drawers. I felt like it was more spacious and it was exactly what I needed. Now in my old vanity, I had like a mirror with all lights and stuff like that. I'm not gonna have that. I just felt like it took a lot of space on the wall. Like, I'll show you guys a clip of my old vanity in my old room, and then you guys can see what I'm talking about. So yeah guys, this is my vanity right now. It's such a mess. I have to leave in a rush. But yeah, I have makeup on this side, makeup in there, some, you know, hair, skin stuff in there, and then yeah, it's such a mess. And I could barely fit anything in here. Like, it's really jam-packed. I have some palettes in here and stuff like that. And then I have my lip glosses and lipsticks, and then my foundation and stuff like that in here. But I could barely fit shit in here. So yeah, I also have makeup there. Have my beauty blenders here. More makeup and like skin stuff here. My lashes. And then like a whole bunch of palettes here that I have to store that way. And then here I have like my new makeup. This is where I usually like have like what I'm gonna film with next. But yeah, that right there. Then I have these two things. Some have my filming stuff and some don't. There's just a whole bunch of stuff and things in there, you get it. But yeah, and then I have some palettes right here that I don't know where to put. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Are you gonna help me? Yeah?
Yes.
You gonna be Bob the Builder?
You're gonna help me, right?
Yeah. New vanity coming! When you first walk in, this is what you see, and this is also gonna be my like filming setup. Every time I'm gonna do videos, whatever, I'm most likely gonna be facing this way. Like, the camera will probably be facing the way I'm facing right now. And so yeah, the drawers are from IKEA. The top is also from IKEA. You're gonna find all these items that I purchased in my haul video. So I am so proud of this. Like, I made this by myself. I know it's a little, like, if you get close you can see the imperfections, but I actually found this DIY thing on Pinterest, and I decided to do this whole thing. It's super cute. And then right here, I don't know what I'm gonna put there. Like, I just feel like that plant is a little too big to be there, but I'm gonna figure that out. Anyways, so yeah, basically that is that. This is my new filming setup. And look guys, this is super cute. Shout out to Eric. If you guys are in Disney, try to look for him. He does caricatures. Yeah, so he did this for me and my boyfriend. All right, so I also bought this, and I have this already. I just don't know where to put them. Like, I don't know how to place them. I was gonna place them here, but I just don't know where. Like, I need some help with that. So if you guys can, just leave me suggestions down below and I'll figure it out. And then this is my light, so when I film, and that's my tripod for my camera. I feel like it's so airy, so like fresh, and yeah, I love it. I'm still like missing a few things, but yeah, like I need like a lamp and some stuff. But anyway, this is what I have so far. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.